Hello everyone, it's Luke. Today I like to take a look with you at how to unblock blocked contact on an iPhone. It might happen that you accidentally block someone you didn't intend to, and now you need to unblock them. If you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything new. And it also helps me to continue creating content. So let's get started. First, open settings, scroll all the way down to apps. In this section, scroll further down until you find phone. Click on it and the settings for the phone app will open. Scroll down again and you will see blocked contacts. This is exactly what we are looking for. Open it and you will see all the contacts you blocked. To unblock the contact, swipe from right to left on their name and the red unblock button will appear. Tap it and then contact will be unblocked instantly. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and we will see next time. Bye.